Hi, this video is about the Nova Deluxe Bath Seat with back and arms. I'm going to show you the quick and easy assembly and also the great features and benefits. So when you receive the bath seat with back and arms, you will get the bath seat fully assembled with the legs. So all you'll need to do is to adjust it to your desired height. It has the extra wide tips, the drainage holes. You want to make sure that all four legs are the same height so it's even in your bath floor or your bathtub. All right, so I like to put on the arms first. One goes on either side, and this just assembles with these push buttons. And they're really easy to use, and they just insert into the tube, and then you push the button, and then you give it a push down, and then it releases out of the whole insert. All right, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And you'll see that as quickly as it is for me to put it together, it's as easy as it to take it apart. So it's great for travel and storage, and it's just such a good bath bench. All right, so inserting the back, I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. So you can see the bottom side of this. There's going to be one side that has tube inserts for the back. And so you will just do the same thing with the back. Push those buttons in, insert it into the tube. Push the button, give it a nudge. Push the button, and it will just lock into its place. All right, there you go. That is the bath seat with back and arms. And for reference on the assembly, we have the instructions right here, and also care and use, and also our customer service information, and you can contact us anytime.